What's up everybody, this is Quick Review Show where we review everything and anything that you ask for. If you are new here, consider clicking the subscribe button below to get the latest updates from me. Oh, and you are free to check out the links below anytime during this video. Alright? Do remember it, okay? So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Have you ever been where you shoot or even you video using your camera and the video just gets so shaky and it just oh my god, it's so shaky? But I have a solution for you. This Dji Osmo Mobile 2 actually helps a lot with the shaky movement. Oh, if you did not know, this DJI is actually famous for its drones like Phantom 4 and all those drone shots, I guess. So you guys might think, what is so good about this gimbal? Well, for starters, it's actually made from high-strength nylon, which also explains why it only weighs at 485 grams, which is quite lightweight in my opinion. Yeah, and also this gimbal actually have a fantastic grip where it won't actually slip. Your hand won't slip. To say, if you are say you are shooting outside for like 1-2 hours and your hands are getting sweaty. One thing, only my hands are sweaty. So what they have on the grip by themselves is actually, there's a joystick over here if you can see it. Yep, there's a joystick over here. This is actually to move your camera movement. There's this record button, so you don't have to keep clicking those record button on your camera. They have this power and mode button together. What does it do is basically it's very simple. If you press the mode button, basically switch the modes in the gimbal. So they have, I think if I'm not wrong, they have 3 types of modes in the gimbal. You can check it out on the description link. So what type of different modes are available for this gimbal. Oh wait, I actually forget to tell you guys that there's this switch here. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, so this switch here basically is zoom in and zoom out instead of going to your camera and like just squinting like some retard. Yeah, so we just need to press here, up and down. Yeah, the first Dji Osmo Mobile, it have a screw where you have to screw your phone here, right? So but for this you don't have to. It's like a spring. It's a spring-loaded clamp. See? Toot, 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 toot. Yeah, I mean, it's for those Snapchat lovers and Instagram lovers. This thing is super great for you because first thing, it can switch from landscape. This is landscape, by the way, and it can switch from landscape to portrait mode in less than 5 seconds. I do not know why a lot of people are saying this thing is they do not have a function where you can rotate, or it's so hard to rotate from landscape to portrait. But in my opinion, this thing, you just turn the lever over here and swap it, and ta-da! You got a portrait mode. I mean, this whole video is recorded in landscape, but I don't really like portrait, by the way. My favorite features of this gimbal is actually the battery. From a single charge, it can actually last for 15 hours. I mean, 15 hours. Who the hell will actually shoot for 15 hours? I mean, the most I shoot was like 8 hours and it still lasts. But this can charge, one-time charge for 15 hours. Can you believe that? 15 hours. I mean, who needs a sleep when you got 15 hours of battery life with this? You can just go around the world for 15 hours. And you need to sleep. You just need like 4 hours of sleep. Who needs 8 hours, right? Oh, I forgot to mention. Also, this thing, it acts as a power bank. Yeah, you got it right. Yeah, this actually acts as a power bank as well. So if you are outdoors, hiking, trekking, and you find yourself your phone battery is dead or low power, you can just plug in the USB over here, right? And plug into your phone and it charge. Somehow this thing has 15 hours, so might as well use it as a power bank. Am I right? The first thing first, when you get this gimbal for the first time, you need to download this DJI Go mobile app, where it actually is synchronized with this gimbal. You can use it for the tracking motion. Basically, it connects Bluetooth with your phone, and the functions of the gimbal is all there: hyperlapse, time lapse. What kind of lapse they have, right? Oh yeah, motion lapse as well. Motion lapse. They have this incredible motion lapse, which I think is one of the best features of the gimbal. A lot of people actually bought this gimbal because of its follow mode. For me, the follow mode isn't that great. It's not that smooth. It's very jerky. It's better for you to do it by yourself because it's more fluent. But however, for this gimbal, it's more of like it's like super jerky. It's like up left, up then right. That is not a movement from left to right, as you can see from here. But other than that, you should try the motion lapse. Yeah, it's really good. To tell you the truth, actually this gimbal was given to me by my brother. Yeah, he had this in his storeroom, I guess. Yeah, so I learned how to use this for only, I think, 30 minutes, and it takes a little bit of time to practice. But if you don't practice, you will have these unstable shots, which I'm gonna show you right now.
There's just one thing you should know, girl, you are my fire, all my true desire. Swear I'm not a liar. You should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries. You should dance with me.
Look at that video. It's so unstable. Alright, so time for the question of the day. Is it worth the money to actually purchase this gimbal? Personally, this gimbal is actually worth the money because one thing, it has a lot of features. Like I mentioned before, they have a lot of modes. They have the basic functions of a gimbal for DSLR, from the mirrorless camera, and this is super lightweight. It's great for your phone. It's not that heavy. I mean, look at that. My gimbal for this, you're looking at for this camera, right? For this, yeah, for this, yeah, for this camera. Gosh, it weighs, this gimbal it weighs around, I think, 2 kg plus 2 or 3 kg if I'm not wrong, and it requires both my hand, while this only require one hand. So at the end of the day, it's basically up to you whether you want this or you prefer your own selfie stick when you take, like that. That is some stupid shit. Oh, and yes, why this must be purchased? The reason is 15 hours of battery and a power bank for your phone. Who needs all this gimbal shit when you got 15 hours and a power bank? Huh? Oh yeah, if you actually purchase this right now, as of now, the time of this video being uploaded, it only costs $179. So with a full set, they call it the ultimate bundle, so it's more than enough for your shooting of everyday life, or you want to shoot your own movie. It's more than enough. Just have this $179 gimbal. If you do not want the set, it's fine. It's fine. I understand. You got no money to even extra that 50 bucks or even that 40 bucks extra. You can purchase just this gimbal at $129, which is, I mean, it's quite cheap for a gimbal, especially for phone. However, if you are very super hyper into videography, you must take this $179 as your kit, because trust me, you will need all those kit as part of your video shoot. Alright, thanks for watching this quick review show where we review everything and anything that you asked for. And if you watch till the end, good job for you. I clap for you. Come, give me a high five. But if you are new here, please subscribe and press the notification bell below, because it helps me to even review these products, or even places like I did for previous Vietnam. I did it for Bangkok. Oh, shit. So this actually made me to have a motivation to actually continue review all the things that you asked for. So Until then, I will see you guys next time. A peace.